Getting back to have my coffee. Come on in, shop's just open. Say hello, everybody. There you go. How you doing? What's up with you, Sammy? David boy, look at them eyes. Oh my God. What's the watch? What you wearing today?
Blvd.
Oh, nice one. What's up, Tyler? Oh yeah, my man. Buy a drone. Drone's the best. So what are we doing today? I don't know. I'm gonna take you in the shop, see what we got. We got Buddy right here. Say what's up, Buddy? Swapping out that diamond. Getting a Soundstream Reserve. Check her out. Pretty cool bike. I like that, man. That's really neat. Put in a nice Hertz speaker kit. Down. Oh yeah. Looking good. Behind us here, this Mustang, all custom did. This thing is beautiful. Look at that. I really like these. Kind of falls with fins on the side. I'll show you that. Really cool. Check out the fins. Wow, nice. Tried to match that up, make it a little cool. Let's get in here. Way. Turn this on. Should use the speaker pads. Let's see. So that one's got an Alpine. Get that on. Look at that. 3D printed. Fits great. Really cool. And then in the back here, whoop, I'm gonna spin you guys around without trying to get you too dizzy. Got some nice Alpine. Just want it all, but everything is nothing if I ain't got your like. Yeah. Got old Brittany here. What you doing there, Britt?
Flashing this Maestro piece for a Soundstream radio.
All right, Soundstream. You want to say something to the peoples?
Yeah.
What's up? How you doing, Brittany? She got good news today. We love her. Good girl. Check out them headlights, man. Oh, wicked. It's a nice car. Really nice. Got this boy back doing some newer upgrades. Uh-oh. Alexa, pause that music before I get a copyright strike. All right, in the shop. Got this. Oh, this ain't the Caddy. This is the 98. I forgot what we're doing on that, but let's go outside. What you doing there, Chris?
Trying to see if there's a blown fuse for his USB outlets and things.
All right, Chris, you in that famous now, boy. All right. Got this bad boy here. Check this out. Gonna get it all new skin. This thing's like 6 years old. So people put wraps on, you know, you get little nicks and chips and eventually a little damage and you have to get it redone. Like here, look here. See, it's just road nicks and chips. But this thing's really cool. I mean, if you can see the texture on that, that's usually what people put on, like, you know, doorknobs and little trim pieces. This guy obviously did his whole truck like that. Pretty baller. Look at that lift kit. Thing is stupid. Uh-oh. So, Caddy. Whoa, man, how'd that get so bright? Man, I better adjust my settings. Oh my God, it's just glowing. Better get back inside here. But anywho, real quick, yeah, I was online. You know, when you follow these people, they tell you best settings for your camera. Glowing outside, probably good inside, but got this BRP Can-Am. That's a Spider. We did a full stereo kit on there. If you can see, little Audison speakers in there, Audison in there. That thing's going to jam. Like I said, I didn't check the schedule, but I know we previously worked on this van we do these custom badges for these things. Really nice. They light up, illuminate. It's limited SC. Baller. Oh my God, it's so bright. Let's get back inside. I'm so sorry, guys. And it's hurting me just looking at it. But it's all good. Remember, guys, like, share, subscribe, follow. Yeah. That's how we do it here. Let's get in the front door. Yeah, baby, I hear something sweet starting up over here in the showroom. Yeah. Get to work, get to work, get to work. Hey, got it going. See here? That monster sound baller. Wow. Doing there, baby boy. Doing. Tyler's wearing camouflage today. Look at that. Can't even see him. All right, everybody. Once again, back at Stereo Installs. We love you as always. Please like, share, subscribe. You'll see a little more Brittany. This one, Sammy. And David Boy. David Boy, you always on the videos, boy. You ain't been doing your blogging lately. What's wrong with you? We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Remember?
Have a great day.
See you tomorrow. Visit us online, www.stereoinstalls.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you need a Viper remote start, you know who to come see. You come see us. Oh my God, we see you soon. More coffee, more coffee. Good morning.
Juice. Hey, when I go to flash that, it says
Peace.